In this video, you learn how to change your Google account recovery email. If you find this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. It's actually very easy to change your Google account recovery email. You can do this inside your browser, so you can also do this on your PC, your laptop or your tablet. What you have to do is go to the top right once you're on google.com and click on your profile picture. Then right here, click on Manage your Google account. And once you're in this settings menu, you have to go to the top bar and click on personal info. Then you have to scroll down a bit until you see contact info. And then you have to click on your email. Then right here you see your actual Google account email address and also recovery email. And right now I don't have a recovery email set up, so I'll just click on Add Recovery Email. And then you can click on Add Recovery Email, or inside here you can also change it if you already have a recovery email set up. So that's how you change your Google account recovery email. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like.